Hi there. Hey, I'm Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And in our world, our whole entire population probably only eats 1 to 2 cups of vegetables a day. We need vegetables to make our beautiful temples sing. I mean sing. So today I'm teaching you a really easy, simple drink that you can make every morning, or ways you can make it only once every about 3 days, to just make your body sing, improve your constipation, make your bowels smooth as silk, and make you feel energized and feel really good, and in the process release some weight. Wouldn't you like that? Or get your body to its perfect weight. You need vegetables. The recipe I'm making today is spring green drink, and it's so easy. All you need to do is put in about a cucumber and some apple. So I have them here already cut up, and I'm going to just show you how to cut up apples and cucumbers. Now, this is super duper simple. Just take a red apple. You don't even need red, green. Green's even better for people that have candida. And you can see I cut it in a space like this, cut it in half. All you need to do, cut the ends off. Like this can go, I've made this in about 3 minutes in the morning. I'm going to throw this into my high-speed blender, but you don't actually need a high-speed blender. You can just use a low-speed blender. I love my Vitamix or Blendex or Ninjas, but you don't have to. It just doesn't blend quite as well. So maybe that's something that you aspire to while you're working to get 3 to 5 to 10, I recommend in all my programs, 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day. Yes, I know, but you're gonna thank me. And then we're gonna put in some kale. This kale is pre-steamed. Why do I pre-steam my kale? This is about 2 cups of kale, because when I pre-steam my kale, kale is a goitrogenic vegetable. What that means is it blocks your thyroid stimulating hormone. And when you block your thyroid stimulating hormone, your thyroid cannot work as well. It kind of shuts down. So if you pre-steam it, it neutralizes the goitrogens in the kale and you feel better. So I highly recommend it. If you don't have thyroid problems, ignore that suggestion. Don't worry about it. And then I put in a combination of mint. I use tops of beets. You can just pull them off. You buy the beets at the supermarket. You pull the tops off, you chop them up, and here's the little beet that I'm going to cook later. Well, I'll get you a recipe for that. This is a combination of mint, parsley, and it is so delicious. So we're going to throw all that in. I'm jamming all of this in to my high-speed blender, and I'm going to add the juice of 1 lime. Now I'm going to show you how easy this is. I know I keep saying easy, but it really is easy, and it goes together so darn fast. See, this is my little juice squeezer. You can see it's been around a long time. It's my faithful lime squeezer. I have one for lemons too that's yellow. You can get these at Bed Bath & Beyond, Sur La Table, or even at your local Whole Foods. They come together really fast. And then I just add some water. So this is about 2 cups, but please don't feel like if you don't have the ingredients for this, improvise. Make this your own. Make this dish your total own. And if you don't like any of the ingredients, you can add something you do like, but get your greens. Why do we use all the herbs? The herbs are so detoxifying. This is your liver on your right side of your body. You want to clean that liver out every single day so you can detoxify, so toxins don't build up in your body, in your cells, and you feel really great. Your liver gives you energy. The emotion of liver is happiness. So when your liver is happy, the rest of your body is happy. So we're just going to blend this up. I'm putting it on my new Vitamix. And actually the Vitamixes have come down in price. My husband got this at Costco for $279. When we paid for our old one, it was about $500 or $600. So they are affordable. We're just going to start it up, so don't mind the noise. Now this is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Look how green that is. Whoops. Dropping things all over. But we've still got some great green drink here. Check it out. And it is so darn delicious because you add the apple so it sweetens it up. But don't put other fruits in it. They'll spike your blood sugar. Let me just taste. Yum, yum, yum. If you want to put in some ice to chill it up, that's great. Or you can just eat it like this. It's a little lukewarm. So if you want more programs like this, if you want to get healthy, want to get well, if you really want to transform your relationship with food and life, all of this recipe and so many more are in my fabulous programs. Check out my website. It's catherinechess.com, www.cathrinchess.com, and let's get healthy and well together. Thank you. Hey, one last thing. I'm sitting here hanging out, drinking my green drink, loving it, and I really wanted to show you one last thing that I do that makes the green drink so easy. So I make a big batch like we just made, and then I pour it into ice cube trays. Any ice cube tray will do, and this way I can freeze this, and then I can store it and have ice cubes. So all I have to do in the morning is throw a few cubes. I take them out of the tray, I throw them in a large baggie, store them in my freezer, and then I have cubes of ice that are actually green drink that I just throw in my blender in the morning, make it up. It's so quick and easy, and there's no excuse not to have green drink every single day. Green drink, celery juice, something green. Lots and lots of greens. Again, 7 to 10 a day. Got it? And then I just throw this on top, freeze these, put them in a big baggie, store them, and I've got my green drink every single day. So good. Let's get healthy and well together. I love you. Love yourself.